Good evening, children. Welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Yeah. So in our previous synopsis, we just left some problems which is based on the number system. Let us simplify this. Nothing but which is involving factorial type of problems. Remind us. Am I right? Let us see that question. Let us discuss about this first. So find the number of zeros at the end of 5 power n minus 1 factorial. Find the number of zeros at the end of 5 power n minus 1 factorial. For example, if a composite number n factorial, to find number of zeros at the end of n factorial, we using the formula E equals to n by 5 plus n by 5 square plus n by 5 cube and so on. Okay, no? Yeah. Let us apply the same formula also here. Let us see the formula, that is, in the place of n, we are having 5 power n minus 1 factorial. Okay, no? So for applying this formula, 5 power n minus 1 by 5 plus 5 power n minus 1 by 5 square and 5 power n minus 1 by 5 cube plus and so on up to, this is up to 5 power n, so we have to take up to 5 power n, 5 power n minus 1 by 5 power n. So this is the greatest integer function. Okay, no? Yeah. That is equals to, I am writing separately, this can be written as 5 power n by 5 minus 1 by 5. Am I right? 5 power n by 5 minus 1 by 5 plus and so on, 5 power n by 5 square minus 1 by 5 square. That means I am separating, that means separately I can divide with 5. Okay, plus and so on, plus 5 power n by 5 power n minus 1 by 5 power n. Okay, now 5 power n by 5, it is, we can write this 5 power n minus 1 by using the law of exponent. A power m by a power n is nothing but a power m minus n. Same way, a power m, that means 5 power n. Here 5 power not there anything means 1 will be there. So 5 power n minus 1 minus 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.2. 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.2. Let us check. I think 1 is the smaller than 5, right? So take 0.10, 5 2s are 10. So 1 by 5 value is nothing but 0.2, means 0.2. Plus 5 power n by 5 square is nothing but 5 power n minus 2 by using the same law of exponent. So this is also we have to consider as 0.2. Okay? Yeah, plus and so on. Because 1 by 5 square we can take 1 by 5 whole square. Again 1 by 5 means 0.2. 0.2 whole square means 0.2 into 0.2 like that. The whole square will be there, what not. Okay? And so on. 5 power n by 5 power n value 1 minus, this is 1 by 5 power n, this is also we can consider as 0.2. So 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, while you are applying for greatest integer or least integer function, 0.2 value is closer to 1. That means before that you should know about that least integer function that will be introduced in next synopsis. So until then you can remember 0.1 value or 0.2 value is 1. Okay. So this is 5 power minus 1 plus 5 power minus 2 minus 1 and so on, 1 minus 0.1 also you can consider as 1. Now I am taking the first terms. Here 1 onwards we can take. So before 5, this one see 5 power n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 and so on, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 square, 5 power 1, 5 power 0 until then we will get n terms. Same way, these all ones, 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n times. Okay, I am separating negative terms and positive terms. So this is up to 5 power n minus 1, 5 power n minus 2 plus and so on plus 5 square, 5 power 1, 5 power 0. Okay? Yeah. So let me continue the sum here. Or you can see up to here, right? Yeah. So while you are observing this 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 power 4 up to 5 power n minus 1, it is in the form of geometrical progression. That formula you should remember this. For example, any number is in the form of 5 power 1, 5 square, 5 cube and so on like this up to n. The sum of these numbers having the formula a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Okay, na? Same formula we are going to apply here. That is equals to for the first term. Okay, na? For this one. So a value is nothing but first one 5 power 0, we can take it as 1. R value is 5. How many terms are there? Up to n minus 1, including this n terms. Okay, na? Yeah. So 5 power n minus 1. 1 is 1 only by 5 minus 1 minus here 1 into 1 into 1 how many times? N times. N into 1, n times. That is equals to 5 power n minus 1 by 4 minus n. That is equals to 5 power n minus 1 minus 4n by 4. This is our required answer. Okay. So 4 into n, 4n. Clear? Yeah, this is our required answer. So if you want to write in a order, you can write like 5 power n minus 4n minus 1 by 4. Okay? Yeah, please note it, children. So what is the remainder when 1 factorial? We need to find the remainder. Okay, na? We need to find the remainder where 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus and so on plus it is up to 2006 factorial. 2006 factorial is divided by 21. Is divided by 21. Okay, na? So we need to identify the remainder. Yeah. Okay, let us see. 2006 factorial means what? Actually factorial or n factorial means product of first n natural numbers. So 2006 factorial means product of first 2006 natural numbers. So 1 into 2 into 3 into up to 2006. Okay, na? So but before that, let us see that 21. I can write 21 as 3 into 7. 3 into 7. So whenever you have 3 into 7 as a common factor among it, until then all are getting that means that 21 exactly divides these two numbers 3 and 2, 7. Okay, let me find 1 factorial. What is the 1 factorial value? 1 itself. So 2 factorial means first 2 natural numbers, 2 ones are 2. What is 3 factorial? 3 factorial means first 3 natural numbers, that is 6. 3 2s are 6. 4 factorial value, first 4 natural numbers, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equals to 24. So until then we did not get any factor which is involving 3 and 7 both. Let us find 5 factorial also. Here also we are not getting, right? That means we should go up to 7 factorial. Then only we will have 7 into 6 into 3 into 2 into Yeah, sorry, 5 also there between. 1 second. Yeah, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If you divide 7 factorial with 21, there is no remainder exactly, because 21 is nothing but 3 into 7. 7, 3 both are cancelled. Remainder will be 0. 8 factorial, if you take 8 factorial means 8 into 7 into 6. 8 factorial also we are involving of 7 and 3. So 7 factorial, 8 factorial, 9 factorial. If you go through like that, for every factorial after 7, means from 7 onwards, all are exactly divided with the number 21. So we no need to take 7 factorial onwards. We should check up to 6 factorial. What is 6 factorial? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 126 are 720. Until here we should check what is the remainder when it is exactly divided with 21. Now add all of them. What are the numbers? 720 I got. 5 factorial value is 120. 4 factorial value is 24. 3 factorial value is 6. 2 factorial value is 2. And the 1 factorial value is 1. Add all of them, that is 13, 7 and 8. 873. Now 873 is divided with 21. We will get the remainder. That is our required answer. So 4 times exactly 84. Leaves remainder 3 and here 3. 21 ones are 21. 12 is the remainder. So if entire number 1 factorial plus 2 factorial up to 2006 factorial is divided by 21, we will get the remainder is 12. This is our required answer. Our required remainder is 12. Yeah, let us go to the next problem. Let us see the next problem. The next problem is, if the unit digits in the product of 2 into 4 into 7 into 8, this is the product is given. The unit digit has to be minimum, any one of the factor can be increased by 1. That means there are actually 4 factors. If any one of them is increased by 1, that means if your 2 is increased by 1, it will be 3, or 4 increased by 1 will be 5, 8, 9, like that. Any one of them if you increase by 1, then what is the minimum value, which factor should be increased? We need to find the minimum value to increasing value. Now let us find one by one. Now first one, I am increasing only 2. So if I increase the first factor 2 by 1, it will be 3. 3 into 4 into 7 into 8. That means only first factor I am increased by 1, remaining all as it is I have written. Now I am checking for, I am just go through the second factor. That means first factor is not changing, 2 as it is. Second factor 4 is increased by 1, it will be 5. So remaining 2 as it is. Second situation. That means 4, 1. That means 4 factors I have to increase, means 4 chances we will get. Now third chance is, I am increasing only third number, 7 plus 1, 8. Fourth number is 8 as it is. Fourth chance, last one only increased by 1. So remaining as it is, 2 into 4 into 7. Okay now? Yeah. Let us identify the units place digits. 3 4s 12. 3 4s are 12, that means 2. 2 7s 14, that means unit digit is 4. Okay. Okay, don't be confused. Let us check. 3 4s are 12. Okay, now multiply all of them. 3 4s are 12. 12 7s 84. 84 into 8. We need to multiply all of them. Yet unit place digit only we want. So just multiply unit digits. 8 4s 32. So unit digit is 2. Okay, now multiply here. 2 5s are 10. 56 into 10, 560. Unit digit is 0. Okay. Now here, 2 4s are 8. This value is 8 into 8 into 8. 8 cube is nothing but 512. The unit place digit is 2. Here, 2 4s are 8 and this one is 63. 8 3 is 24. 8 3 is 24. So whenever we get the value here, increased by 4. Am I right? Yeah. So minimum value is actually among them 2, 2, 4. Last digits value you are observing. Last digit is 0. Unit digit is 0 is the minimum among them. So minimum value we are getting for second situation. Second situation means I am increasing the factor 4. Okay. That is the answer of for that. Please note it. Okay, here only we are discussing the one more problem. If 6 power n is divided by 10, what is the remainder? Okay, let us see. 6 power 1 value is 6, am I right? 6 square value, 6 6 are 36. 6 cube value 216. All are ending with the digit 6. Let us divide with 10. For example, first one I have taken 6 is smaller than 10, so remainder as well as 6 itself because smaller than that. If you divide with 36, yeah, 36 divides by 10, 10 3s are 36 remainder. If you use this one, 10 into 21, 10 21s are 210, again 6 will be remainder. Because 6 power anything is end with the digit is 6. But 10 table, if you consider 10 table always end with 0. So we will get the remainder 6 itself. Okay, na? Yeah, please. Yeah, let us go to the next problem. So find the remainder when 1 factorial plus 2 factorial up to 100 factorial is divided by 24. Same like previous problem. 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial up to 100 factorial is divided by 24. What is the remainder? Let us check. 24 is a factor or not. 24 also we can write as co-primes are product of two numbers like 6, 4, 6 and 4 are, they are not co-primes. Yeah, 3 8s. Or directly 24 also we can. Let us identify that 1 factorial value is 1, 2 factorial value is 6, 3 factorial value is, 2 factorial value is 2, 3 factorial value is 6 and 4 factorial value is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24, 5 factorial. We should get 3 into 8. Am I right? 3 8s are 25. That means up to 8 we should take. Okay? That means up to 8 factorial. 8 factorial onwards 8 into 4 into 7 into 5 into like that all will come. But before that, while you are observing here 4 factorial, see 4 factorial containing 4 2s 8 and 3. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, no? 4 2s are 8 and 3. 8 into 3, right? Or this one we can write as 3 into 4, 8 we can write as 4 into 2, right? Like this, 24. So this is exactly divides. That means we need to check up to here. What is that? 1 plus 2 plus 6 is 9. So therefore the remainder is 9 when it is divided by 24. That's it. That is our answer. Right. So let us go to the last problem for this. If the unit digit in the product of 47, nothing but 4 7x into, we need to find the unit digit. Okay. 47x into 729 into 345 and 343 is 5. The unit digit must be 5. Then what is the maximum value of x? We need to consider the maximum value of x to get the unit place digit is 5. Okay. Now I am leaving this first number as it is. Let us consider the remaining 4 numbers. Sorry, 3 numbers. What are the 3 numbers? 729, 345 and 343. Let us identify the unit place digits. 9 5s are 45 with 3. 45 into 3, 135, again 5. That means if you multiply these 3 numbers, we will get the unit place digit is 5. It is fixed. So product of these 3 numbers will give the unit place digit is 5. Now I need to check with x. So x we have so many options from 0 to 9. If you take it 0 into 5, 0 itself, we did not get the unit place digit is 5. That means we should take only x values are odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, now? Because if you 2 even numbers, if you take 2 5s are 10, 4 5s 20, ending with the unit digit is 0. That's why we should take the possibilities of odd places. Among them, highest value is 9. Therefore, our required x value is 5. Sorry, 9. Maximum is asked now. Minimum value means 1 will be. Maximum value with 9 will be. That is our required answer. So, maximum value is asked now. So, that is our required answer. Please note it. Yeah, okay. That's it for today, children. Thank you, one and all. Have a nice day.